Hello, friends. I would like to introduce myself. This is Manoj Chakravarti, having 33 years of experience in IT field. I have started keeping my series of different functions and functionality of Excel to make you understand in a very simple way how the things are used as a beginner or as an expert. So, in my previous session, you might have gone through, it was related to cell reference, which has covered relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference with examples. In continuation to that, my second topic is how you will adjust the raw data which you are receiving from banks or any other companies or any other software, and you want to put it in some structured format as per your requirement. So, how to do that? One simple example I have taken here for your reference, and so that you can get the complete idea and how you can use logically the things which are coming in a different format, and you are exporting it in a way from that text format to your format. Okay. Now the thing is, see, in my first column, this is the data which I have received from any of the software or from bank, wherever you are getting your inputs. Now, the thing is, the data which is received by me is with the month and the two quantities, month and the two quantities. But this is not in a readable format. I can't make out anything out of it. I want the data to be presented in month, what is the rate of that particular item, and the quantity. So how to get this type of data from this? The only thing is, one, you got copy and paste, copy paste, transpose, and all those things. But here transpose will also not work, because for each and every third row you have to do the transpose business. So in that case, what you can do, this is the requirement as an output, the final output. Here you see what I'll do. I'll write MA3. What is MA3? A3 is the cell address of this particular cell. Next I want is this one. So here I write MA4, and here I will write MA5. What this appears? A3, A4, A5. M is any alphabet I am putting it. Why I am putting it M along with A3, A4, A5, that I'll let you know within 5 minutes. Next will be what? This one. This is my A6. So I'll write M A6. Here I'll write MA7, and here it is MA8. Now, it is not necessary to write entry everything by manually. Just drag it now, because the function will work now. Okay. So these all are the addresses which I have taken up to this MA38. This is 38. Now, I want these values to come here instead of MA. What I'll do, I'll select this range. I will press Ctrl F, that is a find command. I will find the text M, and I will replace it with equal to sign. As soon as I replace this with equal to sign, what this A3 will become? It's a cell address of that thing, and N38 will become cell address of A38. I'll replace it all. Okay. Now you see the data which was in one column has been transferred to three columns as in a readable form, and this is very useful when you are getting huge data like this, and in a single stroke you are getting the output with month, rate, and quantity. Now you can very well read, for the month of April this was the rate and this was the quantity sold. For the month June this was the quantity. 600 quantity is rate, 500 rate, and 600 quantity is sold, and so on. So this is the logic how you can make use of the formulas logically, just giving a single thought how it can be done. This is not the only way that you can represent your raw data into this format. There are many ways, but this I feel that is very easy to understand and easy to explain anybody without any logical complexities. So I hope this is very clear to you. And if in case you have any problem, you can write in your comment box so that I can reply you as per your need and as per your doubts. Okay. Thank you for listening. And my next video will come after 2 days that you can watch and continue with me on my YouTube channel, and subscribe yourself and give the bell icon with the notification so that whenever I upload my any videos, you will get the notification as soon as I upload my videos. So be in touch. Thank you for listening. Thank you.